Now we will see what is the speed of efflux and what is basically Torricellis law. Suppose you have a large tank here and liquid is filled up to this height, Y2 height. You have an opening here. If you make an opening, naturally water will start flowing from here. So what will be the speed of this flux? The output water, what speed will be? Suppose this is 0.1 and this is 0.2. Correct? So let us apply Bernoulli's theorem between 0.1 and 0.2. So 0.1, our Bernoulli's equation is basically P plus half rho V square plus rho GH. It is constant. Correct? So at 0.1, what is P will be what? Now since water is coming out, so it will be experiencing the atmospheric pressure. So it will be PA plus half rho is the density of the liquid, and suppose V1 is the velocity, this is what we have to find out, plus rho G, and if we take the bottom as a reference line, then rho G Y1 will be this thing. This must be equal to what is 0.2. Here again, it is open to sky. So atmospheric pressure will be there, plus half rho. What about V2? Suppose if it is a very large tank, then the surface will be almost at rest. It will not have any velocity. So here the velocity will be 0. Plus, of course, correct? That means this cancels out and the rho cancels out. So ultimately V1 square will be nothing but two G Y2 minus Y1, or this can be written as 2GH. So V1 is nothing but 2GH. Torricellis also stated that in such cases, the velocity of the efflux will be equivalent to a free falling object velocity of the free falling object. Suppose you have a ball is there and it is freely falling towards the ground, and suppose height is h, then what will be the velocity? When it reaches here at the ground, it will be nothing but V, suppose V is here, it will be nothing but V root 2GH. So Torricellis also stated if an object is freely falling in the air, where of course we do not have to take any viscosity effect of the air, then the velocity of the object when it reaches the ground after traversing h distance, it will be root 2GH. And in this case also, water, if it is a very large tank, if you make an opening, then it will have the same kind of velocity. So this is Torricellis' law.